Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're logged into the exact TikTok account you want to change. Once signed in, tap Profile, then the 3 lines at the top right to open Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Privacy section. This is where TikTok controls who sees your videos. Make sure to look for the Private Account option. This is the toggle you'll change. You're already in the correct menu, so proceed now to the next action to actually switch the visibility setting. You'll now turn the private setting off. Find Private Account and note whether the toggle is on. That means only approved followers can see content. Tap the toggle to switch it from on to off and accept any confirmation prompt. Once done, your videos become public, so make sure you understand follower and pending request changes. If you have pending follow requests, they stay until acted on. Take a moment to review your followers and any restrictions once the toggle flips. After switching off Private Account, verify the change by viewing your profile while logged out or in a browser incognito window. You should see videos accessible without approval. If content still looks restricted, check for age filters, community guideline flags, or duet/stitch limits that keep media limited. If the toggle won't change, make sure your app is updated, clear the app cache, or restart your device and retry. If problems continue, contact TikTok support with screenshot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.